I salute you, my people. As a newscaster and a news broker, I think I have to do this. Yes, this concerns my place as well. There's a letter circulating about a kidnapping incident in Anambra State. And from the person who wrote the letter wants it to reach Anambra State government. And I will, at this point, read the letter. It's a security issue. This is not targeted at anybody at all. But we have to do things for the sake of security. The person wrote, "Attention of Your Excellency, Professor Charles Soludo. This is my story. I am a native of Ukuru, married to Nobu. On the 17th of April 2024, we came back to celebrate the marriage of my daughter. As we were driving to Ukuru through Aba Junction after LD, we saw cows crossing the road and stopped immediately. The cattlemen blocked the road and they brought out guns and ordered us into the bush. They tied our hands behind us. They started beating us. Some farmers saw us and looked away. Probably because they didn't have guns, they can't contend with those, perhaps. They did not help us. In the bush, they raped me and my maid before my husband every time without mercy. The third man tear my husband's trouser and continued to rape him in the anus. They took our phone and ordered us to start calling our friends and family. They demand 400 million naira for each of us or they will kill us. After 3 days of continuing to rape us by these cattlemen, my maid was sick and vomiting blood. My husband is dying and his anus is teared to pieces. I cannot stand up properly due to continued rape. I'm wishing I died in that bush. My son-in-law gathered 15 million naira and they direct him to Main Market Onitsha to buy cash. It is obvious that the Fulani people are working with the money changers. They released us on Saturday and my son-in-law rushed us to hospital at Asaba. Your Excellency, please save your people by having that bush surrounded by security people and security operatives. Please chase out those evil cowmen from Anambra. Please stop them from wasting lives. Even as we are living, they bring 2 other boys captive. That bush is their base. Those boys will still be there by now, that as at the time of this letter. Please help call Igwe Ukuru and Nobu to take responsibility. I am now living dead due to Fulani in my town. Even the villagers cannot react again, maybe due to fear. Please, please, Your Excellency, free your people. This is my last wish. Thank you." And can you imagine if this is true? And we've had incidents like this. This is not the first time. Now, we are not trying to accuse all the Fulani people. There are many good Fulani people. Just like in every ethnicity, there are the bad ones. But the bad ones must leave our land. You can't come to somebody's place and exploit him, extort, deal with him mercilessly, and the government will leave you. I am begging the Anambra State government to quickly act so that more people will not fall victims. Anambra State government, Soludo, Professor, please act immediately before something, in fact, things have gotten wrong. Before it gets worse, act quickly. Act quickly, please. Anywhere you see this video, spread it. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Spread this video. If you're in position, take it further to the position higher than you. The evil people must leave. We don't care who they are. If our Igbo people they must be punished. Fulani, whoever, they must be punished. They must not be allowed to continue to do this in our land. Can you imagine what somebody will face in his own land? Please share this video widely.